Hey guys, today we are in for an exciting adventure as we take a trip to the National Museum of Natural History here in the heart of Manila. And I'm super excited because we're going to explore the amazing history and beauty of the Philippines' natural world. Let's go! We've just arrived, and I can't wait to show you all the incredible exhibits. From fascinating fossils to rare plant species, and of course, the famous Tree of Life. So,
what's up everyone? Today we are going to the National Museum of the Philippines. Tara at samahan niyo kaming ikutin at tuklasin ang yaman ng Pilipinas. The National Museum of Natural History in the Philippines is a premier institution dedicated to the conservation and preservation of the country's rich natural heritage. The museum also conducts research, education, and conservation programs to promote environmental awareness and sustainability. The Philippines is considered to be the home of incredible marine animals and iconic species, and some of them are endemic, which means sa Pilipinas lamang matatagpuan. Whale sharks, manta rays, and sea turtles, those are the marine species that the Philippines have in aquatic life. The Philippines is also rich in different species of crabs and starfish, and some of them may be found in different parts of the Philippines. The Philippines has over 27,000 square kilometers of coral reefs, housing more than 6,000 species of marine and aquatic animals. At isa na rito ang sikat na Tubataha Reef ng Pilipinas. Mangroves forest plays a crucial role in the country's ecosystem that can be found throughout the Philippines, lalo na sa mga coastal areas at deltic regions. This includes the Palawan Mangrove Forest, Zambales, Bataan, Bohol, Leyte, at Zamboanga Peninsula. May iba't ibang uri ang mga mangroves, and approximately, there are 47 mangrove species, including the looproot mangroves, gray mangroves, mangroves apple, and the black mangroves. Mangroves are important and have the benefits ng ecosystem. Ibig sabihin, mayroon silang importanteng role sa ating ecosystem. Shoreline protection, habitat, nurseries, carbon sequestration, at livelihood. Sa pagpapanatili ng mga mangroves, dapat isagawa ang mga sumusunod. Reforestation ng mangroves at protektahan ng mga areas na may mga mangroves. Caves in the Philippines are just as extraordinary, with many of them holding significant archaeological and cultural importance, preserving the history and memories of those who made great contributions and had important experiences in the country. Patuloy kayo sa pagsama sa aming pag-iikot at pagtutuklas ng makabagong pag-aaral, natutuhan at dagdag ng mga impormasyon tungkol sa ating museo. At naway maglaan tayo ng oras upang bumisita sa napakagandang museo ng Pilipinas dahil ito ay libre lamang para sa lahat. Perfect spot ito para sa mga magbabarkada, pamilya, magkaklase at mahal sa buhay. Nakagagaan ng isip ang ganitong pasyalan dahil talaga namang nakamamanga ang likas na yaman ng Pilipinas at sa pagpapanatili nito ay masisilayan pa ng mga susunod na henerasyon.